Ross.
I'm Sheldon Wiley.
I'm Rob Dowling.
And this is Team Pocket Tech. Hi, I'm Sheldon Wiley with Team Pocket Tech. And I was in charge of the control panel, safety for the work cell, and quality control. First off, with the control panel, we have our master control relay switch on and off. Turn it on right here. And that gives us the amber light showing that it's on, and we have our pressure gauge to make sure we have the correct pressure. To start the program, you hit the double op start. That allows the program to start, but make sure that your hands are outside the work envelope. Then once that starts, you got your program running light that's going to come on to show that the program's running. And then once the mill's running, we have our mill running light to show that they're both running. When we run out of parts, we have our load parts light to show that to remind you to load more parts. And when the mill's running, if you need to pause it for a second, you just hold down that button and the mill will stop. In case anything goes wrong, we have our e-stop. That'll kill power to the whole robot, and that is tied in with our light gate here, so that you can still reach into the work cell when the robot's off and work on things, but you can't cross it when the robot's on. We have signs up to warn everyone, just so there's no issues. And in the front, we have a physical barrier because the robot and mill are constantly moving, that it can cause some serious injuries. We have signs placed in multiple points so that we have full coverage of safety. Once the part is done being milled, it goes over the quality control station here, which is fiber optic. It's going to place the milled part that would fit in this notch in and break the beam, which sends the signal to the computer showing that it is a finished good part. Otherwise, if it's an unmilled part, it's just going to take the part and set it on top and not break that beam. And that's how it's sourced between the good and bad parts.
Hi, I'm Nick Ross. I'm with Team Pocket Tech. So basically, our process starts off with double operator start on the control box. And we have the robot come down and pick up a part from the feeder. Once it then picks up this part, it comes over here. As the mill door opens, the robot will come and place the part in here with gripper 1. And then the mill will come in from the front, mill the front side, and then it will come back over the top of the vise, mill around it, and then mill the back side. After that, door closes, the process starts over again.
Hi, I'm Rob Dowling. I'm with Team Pocket Tech, and I work on the fixtures for our work cell. Right here we have a pneumatic cylinder that pushes out a plexiglass blank and then hits the limit switch, signaling the robot that there's a part there. If there was no part there, the load parts light would flash, to indicate that you need more parts, and then it would bring the part over to the mill. The mill has a pneumatic vise inside of it which closes on the part, and then it mills out. And then after that, it comes to a quality control station once it's milled. And there's a fiber optic sensor right here, and if it trips it, it'll go to the good part chute. But however, if it's bad and sits on top of it, it'll go to the bad part chute.